Guys, I found out in the abandoned of CVS. I heard old fire alarm systems are getting replaced. Go away, we're in here. Okay. I gotta tell you something, I'm a bit nervous. Here's the one at CVS. This is now turning into Dollar Tree. I will save fire alarms as much as I can. I heard older system fire alarms are getting replaced. So I have to replace it really quickly before they crush these out. This is a good, y'all. So what now? Is the old fire alarm panel gone? There's nothing I can do but to save these fire alarms. The fire alarm panel is getting replaced either. See, buildings are empty. Oh my god, y'all. Oh my god, y'all. Older fire alarm systems are getting replaced. Older fire alarm systems are getting replaced too soon. So what? What happened to the fire alarm panel after this building was shut down? What happened? So what can you do now? What will you do to the fire alarm panel? Will you crush it? This is honestly kind of sad. One of those air conditioner vents will be replaced due to the issues of this one. They're about to destroy the fire alarm, so I will try to save them as much as I can. I already told them I wanna save older fire alarms as much as I can. So I heard these older fire alarms cannot be restored, and they had to be crushed. So I'll try to save them before they toss it around. But here we go. This came from the older fire alarm. This is where they had. Yeah. God damn, what was that? And of course, the card. No, they don't exist anymore. But here we go. Here, this is what they're gonna do to older fire alarm systems before they destroy these. Obviously, y'all, this is kind of sad. I don't know. Excuse me. I need to save this too. I'm so sad. I'm honestly gonna cry soon, bro. This is the old security alarm. This is the same as the house. Here's the system sensor events. Man, this is kind of sad. I'm gonna have to go now because damn. Not gonna lie. There's a lot of people coming here now. Older machines will be gone forever. So I have to save fire alarms as much as I can before they come here. Sadly, I cannot tour the entire building because they're about to revolt this thing. So I had to hurry up. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe. Rest in peace for CVS and older farm systems. Goodbye.